Everybody to Loving Living Local. Well, this morning, if you're ready to explore retirement mortgage financing, you can do so, of course, with the help of a true professional. And for that, we have Kevin Gutman. He's a reverse mortgage specialist. Good morning to you, Kevin.
Good morning.
Very happy to have you here because this is an important topic for a lot of people. Who qualifies, first of all, for a reverse mortgage, and what exactly does that mean?
Sure. A homeowner 62 years or older.
Okay.
Living in their primary residence 6 months or more a year with 60% or more equity.
Okay, so if you've got those things, you can definitely use something like this or maybe look into it more. What property types are eligible for a reverse mortgage?
Yeah, good question. Single family homes, townhomes, patio homes, FHA approved condos, these are all properties that qualify.
Okay, now you're the expert here, so when you look at a reverse mortgage, what exactly does that mean and why could that be a benefit?
So here's what's happening. Seniors are healthy, they're living longer, the majority of their net worth is in their home equity, and there's only three ways to tap it. You sell your house and then you got to pay the fees and live somewhere. You do a cash out refinance or a home equity line of credit, or you do a reverse mortgage. And a lot of people are opening up to this idea because it offers several benefits to them.
Can we go through the benefits and why somebody would consider something like this?
Sure. So really what it does in essence, it allows a senior to age in place, stay in their home, maintain their independence, retain title as an owner, and most importantly, eliminate their mandatory monthly mortgage payment.
Okay, got it. And so looking at that, let's talk about the borrower and the responsibilities that fall on them if they obtain a reverse mortgage.
Yeah, good question. So really, there's only a few things they have to do. They have to live in their home 6 months or more a year, maintain it, which they already do anyway, pay the property taxes, homeowners insurance, and as long as they do that, they can stay till age 150. Obviously, they've designed the program so somebody can't outlive it.
Right, okay, so and that makes perfect sense. All right, let's talk about the benefits, because I know that you've seen this put in place. You've seen what it could do for somebody, an individual. What have you seen in your experience that makes this a good idea?
Yeah. So I think about a couple I've helped, several people over the years, but one guy came to me and said, listen, I'm not long for the earth, I'm not in good health, I want to be sure my wife's going to be okay when I'm gone. What that means is I don't want to have maintenance for the house, I don't want to have a monthly mortgage payment, I want to be sure she has enough money to live. About 4 months later he died. I got a call on the phone that was for the wife. Hey, I just wanted to let you know my husband died, and you told us that if we pay the property taxes, homeowners insurance, maintain the home, live in our house 6 months or more, there's no mortgage payment. Is that right? I said, yes, that's right. She said, good, because that's the only way I can afford to live here. So it really is a game changer for people as they enter or in retirement, that they can stay in their home, maintain independence, remain on title as an owner, and not have a mandatory monthly mortgage payment, which is their largest expense in retirement. It
really is. When you think about it, mortgage pretty much plays a huge role and impact in everyday lives. You've got that mortgage coming up, and the situation like you just explained really could make a big difference. For somebody watching this morning saying, this is something that I would like to look into, how do they get a hold of you, Kevin, and what kind of services would you be able to help them with?
Yeah, so the first call is just information, and the first meeting, they can't buy anything. It's just getting to know me, getting to know the program. They can visit my website, reversemortgagerevolution.com, or they can give me a call locally, 719-302-5820.
Okay, how long have you been doing this, or have you been in this industry?
I've been in the mortgage business since 2004, and I've been focusing on reverse mortgages since 2015.
That's incredible. So you know what you're doing. There's no way around that. And also for somebody that's interested in doing something like this, is this a fairly simple process, or I'm sure they want something that's going to go smooth for them?
Absolutely. It's just a regular mortgage. There's one extra step. They have to do a mandatory 1-hour phone counseling appointment, but that's really the only other thing. We get some documents, we do an application, we explain the program, and we make it as painless as we can for people, as simple as we can for people.
Of course, and look, at the end of the day, that one phone call means nothing if you're going to protect your loved ones and find yourself in a much better situation. Kevin, thank you so much for being with us this morning, and I want everybody to look into this service and of course what Kevin can do for you. Go to reversemortgagerevolution.com for more info. This segment has